Hi everyone, I'm just about to make my lunch today and I thought I'll just show you what I'm making today because this is one of the things I make most often recently and it's so quick and easy to make. It's really keto fast food at its best. So what I've got here is tempeh. So for those of you who are not familiar with it, this is actually fermented soybeans. Let me just show you. So this is fermented soya beans made into a block. I think it's probably coming from Indonesia. I think this is quite a popular thing to eat. And it's fermented, so it's extremely good for your gut biome. It's high in protein, calcium, and all the goodness. And it's delicious as well. So I'm using whole block here. So what I'm going to do is just cut it into kind of small pieces. So a lot of times I just cut them in strips like this, but today I'm gonna cut them further in half, kind of just slightly bigger than bite size. And I'm going to just put them away for now on the side. And then I've got an avocado and I'm going to just cut it open like this. This is quite ripe, so it's perfect. And then I'm going to scoop out the flesh like this. Love avocados. And I'm going to just quickly, roughly chop them into small chunks. And then I'm going to transfer my avocado into a bowl. And then I've also got some lettuce here. This is so good. So this is small gem, probably my favorite lettuce leaves. It's so fresh. So I'm going to just cut off the tip a little bit. That's it. And then in the bowl, I'm going to just break it up like this. These are so fresh to eat and their lovely shapes are perfect as an utensil. And then I'm going to make some dipping sauce to go with it. So what I've got here is some sugar-free ketchup. Just give it a little squeeze. And then with the ketchup, I'm going to add in my homemade chili sauce. So I'll put a recipe down below. And in this version, I actually put in some sesame seeds and also black beans as well. So you can get fermented black beans and you just soak the black beans in dry sherry or some liqueur and just pop them in your chili sauce when you put in the chili flakes. It's so good. So I'm going to turn this ketchup into a sweet chili sauce. I'm going to just add in some of my chili paste there. And then a dash of soy sauce. Just a small dash, give it a mix. And this is it. This is my sweet chili sauce. How quick is that? And then we're going to quickly fry our tempeh. It would take no time. So I'm going to turn the heat on. So medium heat, just warm up the frying pan a little bit. And then I'm going to pour in some olive oil, generous amount. And then I'm going to pop in my tempeh pieces. So I'm going to use my chopsticks, just turn them around a little bit. And we're going to fry them till they're golden brown and crispy on the outside. I mean, if you've never had tempeh before, please don't be afraid of it. You should be able to find it in your local health food store or Asian store, maybe. They're very easy to digest and it's great for your gut biome. And one word of caution, buy the tempeh anywhere, but please don't buy it in a jar. Sometimes you find them in a jar. They look like the result of some lab experiment, and they probably are. So just don't go near them. You'll probably put you out for life. Get a tempeh in blocks like this, in the purest form. No added flavoring. Sometimes it comes with some sea vegetables, a bit of seaweed in there. That's fine. But look at the ingredients. It shouldn't have anything other than soybean. Okay, so they're lovely and golden brown. It took no time at all. Look at this. It's just so beautiful and slightly crispy on the surface. Okay, I'm going to turn the heat off. So I'm going to transfer my tempeh pieces over to my plate. Oh, it looks so good. Right, just look at how beautiful this is. And I got my avocado here and my sweet chili sauce. And you know what? I'm feeling extravagant, so I'm going to have some vegan mayo as well. So you can have any kind of sauces you like. So I'm going to take one leaf here. It's just such a cute little utensil. I'm going to spread some of my sweet chili sauce. And then a few pieces of avocado like this. And then take one piece of this gorgeous aromatic tempeh. And then a bit of mayo today. Like that. Gorgeous. So normally I just use 1 spoon for everything, but hey, I'm making a little bit of effort today. And then I'm going to just wrap it up a little bit and then take a bite. Look at this, a little vessel of pleasure. Melt in your mouth. The sweet chili sauce is just fantastic. And the crunch of the lettuce as well. It's so good. I know if you're watching this when it's uploaded, it's probably Christmas Day and you're probably having a bit of a feast over there. But this would be a great post-Christmas lunch. Something to have between Christmas and New Year when you just want something really snacky. It's almost like eating junk food, but not. It's just packed with nutrient and goodness and freshness as well. And it's so quick to make. You know, if I wasn't making the video, I can rustle this up in about 15 minutes. So give it a try. So I hope you like my lunch and will give it a go. And follow me on Instagram and visit my Amazon shop and buy me a coffee if you like what I'm doing. So thanks for hanging out with me today and thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. I'm so gonna finish this off.